Guys, I can't tell you how much I'm happy. I'm recording in the room of my daughter because I don't have another place. Whatever. I want to share this with you. Today came my new phone, S21 Ultra 5G, and I'm really happy because almost 2 years I use one Samsung A70 with broken screen. Now I'm recording with that phone, and I want to share this with you because I can't believe what I have in my hands. The moment of the truth. Okay. So, papers, and the phone. Oh man.
I'm rich and I'm dead sexy.
I can't believe. Now I will open this thing. Come on. How? Okay. Oh man. Woohoo! Come on, man. It's so big. It's huge. Woo! Look at this, boy. Look what I have in my hands. And it's heavy. I like it. I already like it. I don't know how good camera is and all that, but it's... Oh my God. Let's turn it on. It's working. Of course, it's new. Oh man, I'm shaking. Wow. Look at these cameras. It's what's that? Welcome. English. I'm in Germany. I speak German, but every device I have, it's on English. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And I now I will have more ambition to make videos for YouTube and for TikTok and all of that, and I will, oh man, it's better camera quality and everything. First time I have this phone in my hands. First time. I want to turn it on. I want to see just so copy apps and data. No, later. I will do that later. So don't copy. Should be tested with a knife, how strong he is. And what we have in the box? I heard that charger don't come, just USB. But whatever, I will charge it in microwave. I don't care. I'm recording with this phone with wide lenses, fisheye lenses, and the quality is not so good, so you can see the quality of this display, of this screen. Oh man. No. So, camera. Okay, remind me later. Whatever, just open that camera. That I want to see. AK-24 for real? Yes, it's blurred because of this thing. So, oh man, what's that? Look this camera. Look this, man. Look at this one. It's huge. What is that? I'm so ugly. So I need, first of all, at maximum. Yes, of course. Oh man, I like it. Oh, how much? Full HD is 60 frames in second. Man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow, man. Boy. Thanks God. Thanks God. Thanks God. This phone is perfect. This phone is perfect. I wish you that you have this phone too. And man, I'm so happy. I want to play with this phone, so I will stop recording this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel if you like, because I have new camera, new phone and more ambition to make videos. Love you guys. I love you. I'm so happy. God bless you.